This video, we're going to be working with composition of function. This means that I'm substituting one function inside of the other. So, for example, on number one, it says g of x equals to negative x minus 5, h of x equals to 2x plus 1. And I want to find g of h of x. Again, this you can read as g of h of x. So this, I can rewrite it also as g of h of x. So that means that in function g, I'm going to plug in for every variable function h. So x, I'm going to substitute it for this. So that means that this equals to negative. The negative comes from the g right here. Then I'm going to change that x for 2x plus 1. So times 2x plus 1. And look that I'm putting the parentheses because that negative is going to affect everything inside of there. And then minus 5. So that means that this is negative 2x minus 1 minus 5. So the composition of those two functions is 2x, negative 2x minus 6. Okay, number 2, this is the same as f of g of x. So on f, on every x, I'm plugging in g. So that equals 2. 2, that comes from f, this 2. Now that x right here, I'm going to substitute this entire function. So times x squared minus 3. So I got 2x squared minus 6. On number 3, again, this is the same as g of f of x. So that means that on g, for every x, I'm going to substitute f. So I get the 2 from here. Then this x, I'm going to change it for this entire thing. So 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 5. I'm going to distribute the 2. So I got 2x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay. On number 3, again, this is the same as g of f of x. So for every x on g, I'm going to substitute f. So this x, I'm going to change it for x cubed plus 5. I'm going to distribute the 3. So 3x cubed plus 15 minus 2. 3x cubed, then 15 minus 2 is 13. Let's see the composition of function with numbers. So again, this is the same as h of g of negative 3. So on this case, I'm going to start by finding g of negative 3. So I'm going to substitute g on g, negative 3. So equals to 4 times negative 3 plus 5. So negative 14 plus 5 equals to negative 9. Now that I have negative 9, I can substitute that negative 9 here. So this is the same as h of negative 9. So I'm going to take that negative 9 and plug it in on h. So again, negative 27 minus 5 equals to negative 32. Okay, let's see number 6. Again, this is g of f of negative 9. So I'm going to start by finding f of negative 9. So I get 2 times negative 9 plus 2. So I get negative 18 plus 2. So I get negative 16. And again, that negative 16, I'm going to plug it in on g. So 2 times negative 16 plus 1. So negative 32 plus 1 equals to negative 31. So again, number 7, I'm going to substitute g of negative 4 first. So negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. And then that 11, I'm going to substitute it on h. So 4 times 11 plus 5, 44 plus 5 equals 49. Then number 8, again, this is the same as g of f of negative 3. F of negative 3 is negative 3 squared. Keep in mind that whenever you're using your calculator, put those parentheses, because if you write this on your calculator is going to produce that, because it's applying the square only to the 9, not the negative. So that's why it's important to put the parentheses so that your calculator can find that is positive 9. So 9 minus 5 times negative 3 is 15. So 9 minus 15 is negative 6. And now that negative 6, I'm going to plug it in on the first one. So 3 times negative 6 minus 5. Negative 18 minus 5 equals to negative 23. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.